lights out. This is not something you've ever seen on YouTube. This is not something we've ever done before. So,
motorbikes.
it's the parking of it at the beginning, which baffles me.
Also, something goes wrong this time. In the mess inside, it's going to be very difficult to tell which is bike, which is French.
It's a good point you raised there.
Corned beef with lumps in it.
It's corned beef with added metal.
Yeah, not
bits of spark plug and so on. Right, there they are. They're in. The door is now being closed. Somehow they all have to be kidding. I've no idea. This is not something Popular Live has ever done around the world. So if you're posting this on YouTube, tell the South Africans and Poles and so on. You do it bigger and better in the UK. So you go.
They're changing their minds.
You did look a bit amused, but I thought I was going to get fired. Well, the thing is, there's a lot of French people in the UK now, so their taxes went up, so we have got a lot of them.
Yeah, the penny spare.
Exactly. Here we go! Never done it before.